What if I told you that thousands of Social Security recipients are quietly earning an extra $200, $400, even $800 a month, and they're doing it without losing a single dollar of their benefits? That's right. While most people think Social Security is all they can depend on, a growing number of seniors have discovered new, legal, and safe ways to bring in more income each month. But here's the catch. Some of these side incomes are completely benefit-friendly, while others could silently reduce your check. So, before you start anything, you need to know which ones are safe and which ones could cost you. For millions of Americans living on fixed Social Security, the struggle is real. Groceries cost more, rent keeps climbing, and the monthly check doesn't stretch like it used to. But here's the good news. 2025 has opened the door to new opportunities that most people don't even know exist yet. In this video, we'll explore 6 proven income streams that Social Security recipients can use right now to earn more, safely, legally, and from home. We'll cover what works, what doesn't, and how to protect your benefits while still improving your quality of life. For millions of Americans living on a fixed income, Social Security just isn't enough anymore. With rent, food, and medical bills climbing every month, seniors are looking for safe, easy ways to make a little more. The good news? It's absolutely possible, if you know the rules. Ver 1. Online surveys and opinion sites. This is one of the simplest ways to earn from home. Websites like Inbox Dollars, branded surveys, and MyPoints pay you to share your opinions. It's not huge money, maybe $50 to $100 a month, but it's steady and completely safe for Social Security recipients. If you've got 15 minutes a day, you can get paid for surveys. Not thousands, but enough to help with your grocery bill. For 2. Selling handmade or vintage items. If you enjoy crafts, knitting, or collecting antiques, you can sell your items on Etsy, eBay, or Facebook Marketplace. Many retirees are doing this part-time from home and earning anywhere from $100 to $400 a month. Your hobby can become your side income, and the best part, it's fun and flexible. Number 3. Freelance micro-tasks. You don't need to be tech-savvy to start freelancing. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, or Amazon Mechanical Turk offer small, simple jobs, typing, proofreading, or data entry. Even working a few hours a week could bring in $100, $300 monthly. Number 4. Rent out unused space. If you have a spare room, garage, or even an empty parking spot, you can rent it out. Use Neighbor.com or Spot Hero to turn that space into monthly cash without any physical effort. For some retirees, this is an extra $200, $500 a month in passive income. Number 5. Dividend stocks and high-yield savings accounts. Even if you only have a few $100s saved, you can put it into a high-yield account earning 4 to 5% interest. Banks like Ally, Discover, or Capital One offer competitive rates, much higher than traditional savings. And here's the good news. This kind of passive income doesn't affect your Social Security payments. Number 6. Online tutoring or mentoring. Retired teachers or professionals can teach English, basic math, or life skills online. Platforms like Preply, Cambly, and VIP Kid pay tutors $10, $25 per hour. It's flexible, rewarding, and helps others, all from the comfort of your home. Important warning. If you're receiving SSI or SSDI, be careful. Earned income can reduce your benefits once you cross certain limits. For 2025, the general rule is around $1,170 per month for SSDI. Passive income like interest, dividends, or rent usually doesn't count. But always double-check with the Social Security Administration before starting any new side income. So there you have it. 6 realistic income streams that can help you earn more without losing your benefits. Which one would you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you believe Social Security recipients deserve more financial freedom, type "I support extra income" in the chat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because our next video covers how seniors can qualify for the new COLA boost and what changes are coming in 2025.